In this video, I'm going to share to you on how you can convert scientific notation to a number in Google Sheets. So let's get started. So open your Google Sheets. So I have prepared this example for you. So these are in a scientific notation format. So how can we change this to number? It's just very easy. So we just have to select the cells that has the scientific notation numbers. So simply drag your cursor to select the cells or the numbers. Now once done, you just need to simply look at the ribbon at the top and you can find the format tab, click on that, and here you'll find numbers. So currently we are in a scientific. So in order to change this to number, you have this option number. So we just need to click on that. And that's it, okay? That's how you can easily do it. So I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.